Good morning, Roland Cassidy, Carroll Street Classics in Manchester, New Hampshire. Today we're extremely excited to offer this 1966 Pontiac GTO. The weather's been a challenge here in New Hampshire and we haven't been putting as many cars out, but we've got a whole new lineup that we're going to introduce today. This 66 Pontiac GTO is an older frame off in the mid-90s, so it doesn't have any reproduction parts on it whatsoever. It's a numbers matching 400 4-barrel in Cameo White with a black cordovan roof. As you can see, it's got red fender liners. That was offered, one of the options, very rare option, back in the mid-60s. Actually, I think it was 66 and maybe 67, but I'm not quite sure. This car has 45 factory options. That's right, 45 options. And we'll get on the list on the next short video presentation. Thanks.